Hey everybody, this is Miss Gerke, and I am your English instructor this term, Summer B. So welcome to English 101. This is a video navigation just showing you how to get around the course. So I figured I would just walk you around so you can see where everything is in the course. So if you look over here, the first thing that we want to note are this toolbar. And so all of the important things are located in this toolbar. And if you go to content, that is the best place to get information about the course. As you can see, we have this course schedule option. This is linked to your Pulse app. So while it's helpful, do not rely only on what comes up on the Pulse app for this course. A lot of students fall into that trap. But as you can see, it does list assignments that are due, but it is not everything that you need. Okay, so you want to keep that in mind. Okay, so anyways, but as you can see, our course is broken into weekly modules. So you can see the introduction in week 1 is right here. We have week 2 where we'll focus on academic writing, and also in week 3. Week 4, week 5, and then we end up with week 6. So you do want to make sure that you are going by the weekly modules. Additionally, here, if you go into introduction, which is this week, I do have my course syllabus, so please take some time to open up and read the syllabus. Each week, I have a checklist and the due dates of the items on the checklist. So you do want to make sure that you are reading these. As you can see, there are 7 items on this list, so that is a lot, but this is a condensed course, so you are taking a 16-week course over 6 weeks, so just make sure that you are following up and staying on task. All right, and everything you need for this week is here in this course. You can see assignment submissions under here. They're also located, so this is where you would be submitting assignments. All right, and you can see the list of all of our assignments. We have homeworks and our writing assignments. We'll go back here to content. As you can see, we have the discussions here. We have a week 1 review quiz, and then you have a practice essay, and then the student health acknowledgement form. So those are your 3 bigger tasks for this week. All right, we have where you can go directly to the discussions. All right, so those are located here, and then our quizzes. All right, so those are the quizzes for the course, and then also finally grades. So that should be everything, should make everything super easy for you to find. I'm going to go back in here and I'm just going to review our items in week 1. So here's week 1, the checklist. So you do want to make sure that you review the syllabus in our course schedule. The course schedule is in the syllabus. Also, you want to review the DSC rubric for writing. That is what I use to score all of your writing, so you want to make sure you review that. Want you to make sure you do your weekly reading in the Norton Field Guide. So you do need that textbook, and you are reading about rhetorical situations. You need to review the video on how to format your paper in MLA. You also need to review the DSC Writing Center Prezi on MLA formatting. You need to post an initial post in the discussion board, and so I need to change that date. And then you need to respond to classmates by the end of the week, and then you need to complete the week 1 review quiz, and then finally you need to complete the practice essay. All right, so that is this week in a nutshell. You can find all those items in the week 1 content module, so everything that you need to complete in week 1 is located here in this module. So just scroll down the list, view all these documents, and complete your tasks. And as always, guys, if you have any issues, you're welcome to email me. My name is Miss Gerke. A lot of students call me Miss G. So I am happy to help you, and I'm looking forward to a great term with you guys. So have a great Monday.